The Congress Member of Parliament and Chairman of the Meghalaya Screening Committee, Gourav Gogoi, Neeraj, Dangi and Hibi Eden, also members of Parliament and members of the Meghalaya Screening Committee, had visited Shillong on the 17th of January 2023 to have a one-on-one discussion with all Congress aspirant candidates for the upcoming General Assembly elections of this year. At a press conference held later, the Chairman, Meghalaya Screening Committee and MP, Gourav Gogoi, and the President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H. Pala, clarified on certain doubts related to the stand of the Congress party in the state.
We are here to meet with the candidates for the upcoming elections and find out what is the position on the ground. What is the strength of the organization? What is the mood of the people? What are the people thinking? And in the days to come, how can AICC support them and support their campaign? And it has been a few hours have already passed, and we are quite optimistic with the response that we have seen. All our candidates are gung-ho and are ready to fight the election. We are just awaiting the announcement of the official dates from the Election Commission and the Meghalaya Congress Committee, Pradesh Congress Committee, who is going to put up a fantastic campaign. BJP thinks that cash wins votes. Congress thinks that performance wins votes, and we are confident that our performance, when compared with this government's performance, people are able to see that the Congress government is better for the future of Meghalaya.
Solving a boundary is not that easy. Solving a boundary, you need lots of exercise. So instead of make bloods amongst the people, especially the Asis or the Khasis and the Karos and the Jaintias, better we'll see at a certain time, at a really appropriate time. So not is that we didn't solve the problem. We always try to see that people on both sides have a friendly relations and in a good atmosphere. So it's not that we did not do it, we did it. But to the level of satisfaction, it's very difficult to satisfy Asmil or the people who are in Assam or people who are in Meghalaya. So to find tuning that, I think that's why we said we need a border commission. But unfortunately, somebody has gone to Supreme Court. It was scrapped. But the government should have appealed to it, or the government should have rethink on it. So it is not that we have not done it. And the Assam government, when Gogoiji was a chief minister, we went up to that level also. It's not that we have not done it. We did it.
Come from an MLA who was just joined the NPP 1 week after signing the MOU. The MLA from Rambrai had requested the Chief Minister that please review this MOU because a lot of our land has been lost to Assam. So not only from the Congress, even from their own member who has joined the NPP recently has demanded.
Sense of anxiety. Sometimes he might arm twist his neighboring chief ministers into signing something that they don't want, so that he gets his TRP to show that as NEDA chair he has managed to achieve something. I don't know whether this applies in this particular case, but I hear that often that is the case. So chief ministers of other states have to be strong and champion their own people and champion their own land and not be arm twisted by those sitting in Dispur or those sitting in Delhi or Nagpur.